Here's a healthy snack that you could make to share or to enjoy as a light meal. A healthy flatbread layered with great things from Sassool's fresh case and grocery section. Let's start with the ingredients that make this happen. We have Niamey pita bread, Chinese pine nuts, Cabbage delight, hummus, and tahini. Before you compose your flatbread, you'll need to toast the pine nuts in a sauté pan with a little olive oil. Watch them carefully though, because within about 3 minutes, they will be ready to be taken off the heat and will burn if they're left even a little bit longer than that. The smell of toasted pine nuts alone will bring your family running. On to the next part. Let's take a piece of pita, flip it on its back, and then you'll spread a nice generous layer of hummus onto the pita. Now you can use other dips from Sassool like tzatziki or baba ganoush, but for this combination we think hummus tastes best. The next layer is Cabbage delight. Pick this up from our fresh case. Cabbage delight is awesome on the flatbread because it has so many things in it. Fresh spinach, sautéed cabbage, bell peppers, spices, and by using Cabbage delight, you save yourself all of the prep work of slicing all of those vegetables. Sesame tahini is the next part of this flatbread. You'll drizzle it on top, and it will actually serve as somewhat of the glue for those toasted pine nuts. Go ahead and sprinkle the pine nuts on top, and then we'll finish this delicious flatbread with a sprinkle of green zaatar. Now all you need to do is slice the flatbread into 4 wedges and enjoy. Hopefully you'll be able to resist until after kickoff. I love the idea of making shareable flatbread because you can use so many different components from Sassool to make it your own.